What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Hellraiser_624. Make sure you sub if you didn't, man. We going live out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying it's dead out here. But make sure you subscribe if you're new. I really appreciate y'all, man. I'm small, but help me grow. I can't do it without y'all. Don't just look, you know what I'm saying? You got any questions? Ask me, you know what I'm saying? But this video topic is going to be why I chose the Scatpack over the Hellcat. So y'all tune in, but make sure y'all subscribe, man. The reason why I chose a brand new Scatpack over a used Hellcat is that I wanted to have a warranty. And I know that you can buy a Hellcat used and add a warranty, but I didn't want to pay extra. Since I was going to be paying more for the Hellcat anyway, I didn't want to have to come out of pocket for a warranty. Because, you know, like a 2018, 2019, those are still within the warranty. Because most of those had a 36,000 mile warranty on it that you can extend. Like I got bumper to bumper on this car. That's 100,000 miles, 84 months. And I had to pay $1,000 extra for that, but that's worth it because these cars, you know, gonna need to get maintenance, you know, and things gonna have to get fixed over time and stuff like that. So I didn't want to get the Hellcat and have to pay extra for all that stuff. I wasn't trying to pay too much because I was looking at a 2019 Hellcat Charger. Seen one for $56,700. That's a little too much for me. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of out of my price range right now. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm on an E4 in the Army. I'm married. You know what I'm saying? I don't make a whole lot. And if I would have been like a E6 or something like that, then yeah, that's different. But this is my second car. I'm 22 years old. I feel like this is just enough for me. You know, baby steps. Don't start here, then go all the way up here and pass the next step. This how you gotta think about. This how you gotta think about car trims, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. This is my Avenger right here, right? And this is a Hellcat right here. This is Scat. Picture me skipping this. I'll be stretching myself out. You feel me? So take it baby steps in life. Don't stretch yourself out. You know what I'm saying? But I chose the Scat because it's more affordable. For me right now, in my current situation, it's more affordable. It has a lot of power for what it is. You know, 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pound of torque. Top speed of 180 miles an hour. Is ungoverned, powered by SRT. And I mean, for what it is, you get a Scatpack skinny body for less than 40 grand, brand new. Mine a base Scat. I don't have a sunroof. I don't have the dynamics package. As you can see, I got 4 pistons, not 6 pistons. And I don't have the plus package. That's why, unfortunately, I have cloth seats and not leather. But there's no problem. I can always, you know, upgrade. But I'm fine with what it is, you know what I'm saying? I feel like a Hellcat right now is just me doing a little too much. Like, I'm new to the Hemi game. I'm new to the V8 family. This is my first Hemi. I've never in my life owned a Hemi. Now, I've driven a Hemi before. By the way, I put those in. I had halogen bulbs when I got it. Y'all want to know what link I got these from? Let me know. I seen a link where I get these LEDs from. But yeah, that'll be stretching myself out because $56,000 plus tax and fees and gap and bumper to bumper, I'll be close to $60,000. That's a little too much for me right now. I can't afford that right now. And I'm in an apartment. I'm not even in a house. So I got to get my priorities straight. And I feel like a Scat right now is the perfect car for me to you know, to hold. And I'm going to pay this car off, you know what I'm saying? Because this is my first car that I bought brand new. I know how it was driven. It only had 3 miles when I got it. So I know how it was driven. It wasn't beat to shit. Versus me buying a used Hellcat. I wouldn't know if somebody was doing hard launches. I don't know if they followed the break-in procedures correctly. Or I don't know if they changed the oil when they were supposed to change the oil. I don't really know. But that is why you go through the Carfax and get a good, you know, get a good inspection person to do a good front to rear inspection on the car. You can't just look at a car and be like, oh, it was good. No, you got to get down and dirty. You got to lift that car up. You got to pay closer attention to every single detail. Make sure your brake line's not damaged. Make sure they're not corroded. Make sure your rotors in somewhere good, well, in good condition. You buying the car. Make sure your brakes not leaking fluid nowhere. You got to pay attention. You know what I'm saying? You got to get hands-on with everything. You got to make sure the alternator straight, you know, your radiator, your engine belt, your pulley, your serpentine, all that good stuff, man. cooling holes, reservoir, all that good stuff. You gotta check. These cars are very expensive, and even pre-owned they expensive. So you know what I'm saying. That's why I got my Scat new. You know what I'm saying. Sticker price was $42,985. Got mine for like $36. Hellcat would have cost way more. I got gap and bumper to bumper on this car. Some people were like, man, you should just got a Hellcat. But you gotta understand that Hellcat costs way more. I looked at some 2016, 2015s. They was about the same price as this car, brand new. But they was already out of warranty. So I would have had to put another warranty on it. And I kind of want to stay away from the 2015 and the 2016 Scats. Hellcats, because not all of them. Some owners had problems with the superchargers. Superchargers had bad bearings and they had overheating issues. But that's kind of what all cars. When you get the first new year model, you're gonna always have defaults and errors with it. You know what I'm saying? That's why they fix it throughout the years. Pretty sure they fixed that issue in 2017. But I'm looking at 2018, 2019 Hellcats, and they like mid 40s, high 50s. So I'm like, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna rush it again. Like you know what I'm saying. I got other responsibilities. So I feel like the Scatpack is good enough. If you feel like your Scatpack is not good enough, I'm letting you know you gotta count your blessings, man. Some people don't even have a base model charger. This is a lot of motor, like this naturally aspirated. In my opinion, the Scatpack louder than the Hellcat exhaust wise because it's naturally aspirated and got a bigger motor. This is just my opinion though. It ain't faster. I know that for a fact. I would never in my life try to. Well, I would race a Hellcat. I don't even care. I want to see how bad I get beat. But yeah, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all subscribe. That's why I chose a brand new Scat over a used Hellcat. These cars here are driven hard, bro. Hard. People be sliding in these things. They be doing all types of stuff. Burnouts. Hard Z. That's what they made for. Me personally, if I'm gonna be paying $50,000, I don't want nothing that nobody was. Oh, and no. I want something that's, and I guess, everybody had their opinion. That's why you get an inspection and everything. And with these cars, it's more than just changing the oil. It's a lot. It's just like people. As you get up in age, you're not going to be as energized like you used to be. You're not going to be as, you're not going to be as, as good as you was when you was younger. Same with the cars. So I find that's 72 months. By the time 72 months, probably going to be about, the way I drive, probably 60, 70,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be depreciated and everything by then. But, hey, I'm still going to keep this car. You know what I'm saying? And I have it paid off, and then I get another car. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, that's my opinion, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. What videos y'all want to see. That's just me telling y'all why I got a Scatpack new over a used Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Because at the fees and gap and bumper to bumper, bruh. Like, that shit, I probably would have been paying new Hellcat price for a used Hellcat. So, y'all just let me know. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. Don't forget to turn that bell notification on, y'all. I know my videos ain't fun. I know. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy right now. It's the winter time. I'm not trying to crash my car. Because I guarantee if I crash my car, I get subscribers and y'all laugh at me. I'm not doing that. This car is dangerous. Like, all jokes aside, this car is dangerous. This car will get you killed, your passengers killed, and others killed. This car ain't nothing to play with. This is not a bump. This is not a go-kart. This is a 392 Hemi. You know what I'm saying? This right here is not in red for a reason. Red mean blood and red mean death. All right? So, this ain't nothing to play with. This ain't your Honda Fit. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all drop that sub. Turn on that bell. Make sure that bell is black. All y'all right now that's watching, make sure that bell is black. You know what I'm saying? Don't miss out on no vids. Don't miss out on no vids, man. Tune in, you know what I'm saying? We're only going up from here. I got a surprise for y'all on this car. And then my next video is going to be the announcement on the giveaway. So make sure y'all tune in. Don't come while I'm already monetized. It's not going to be the same. Keep building the empire. I love the ones that support, and I love the ones that watch without subscribing. All right, your boy Hellcat_6.4 out. Don't forget to subscribe to Instagram. All right, y'all.